You don't need to play fast to sound musical, and in this video I want to show you how to transform a very simple chord progression, 4 chords, and into something musical and into something that sounds complete. We need 3 steps. First, a clean picking pattern, and then 2, we need some cool chord voicings, and 3, we will need a little bit of creativity. All right, so let's take this chord progression, very, very common in the key of G, E minor, C, and D. It's like from the chord progression from the 50s, right? And so first of all, instead of strumming, we can use a very simple 4-note picking pattern. Using a picking pattern and some cool voicings. So let's talk about the picking pattern first. We play in arpeggio. We pick 4 strings only. So for the G chord, I play the last string, the 4th string, the 3rd, and the 2nd. And you can play it down, up, down, up. So this is a 4-note pattern, right? And you can go down, up, or you can go down, 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 up. I leave that up to you. Okay, they sound slightly different. I think I will go down, 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 up. And so that's my picking pattern, and I can apply that to all 4 chords. Okay? And I want to play the root first. So last string and the last string. Root now is on the 5th string, and for the D it would be the 4th string, but I want to change that fingering anyway. So that's the first step, 4-note picking pattern. And now I would like to use some cool voicing, some embellishments to make that chord progression a little more musical and interesting. And for the G chord, instead of playing the G chord, I will play, we can play a G added 9th. That sounds really cool, right? It's super simple. You see index here playing the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the root. Picking pattern stays the same, that is 6, 4, 3, 2. And for the E minor chord, I want to play again an E minor added 9th. That sounds like really a long name for a simple chord. We go E, B, right, and then I play an F sharp here with my pinky, and I pick the 6th string, the 5th string, the 4th string, and the 3rd string. Okay, and that's really a cool voicing for an E minor. It sounds like a little mysterious to me. That F sharp and G, you see? Yeah, I like that. And then for the C chord, we play this one. And so again, this is middle finger playing the A note on the 3rd string, and then index plays an E note on the 4th string, and then my root, my C note with the ring finger. And that's my new C fingering instead of that. Again, it's a very open sounding voicing. And last, instead of playing a regular D chord, we play this one. Again, this is a cool voicing, super simple. C chord, you play C chord and you move it up 2 frets. So it's like a C fingering at the 3rd fret, 3rd position. And here I'm picking the 5th, 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, so let's put it all together. It sounds cool, right? And now the third step. Third step, a little bit of creativity. So, and here we just want to find some variation to the arpeggio and see if we can come up with something a little melodic. For example, I tried to play a hammer-on with my index finger. Something like that. I think I like that. And then I can play the same idea over the C chord. Again, let me do it again. This is not really difficult, it's a simple little idea, right? I'm playing a hammer-on the 3rd string. And when I go to C, I have the same, and I think I like that. I can also play something over the D chord. And here I'm playing a D7, right? C7, D7. So I just need to add the pinky. Picking pattern doesn't change. Now I play the D7, that's my 5 chord. So I know that it sounds good because we're going back to the 1 chord. And I can lift my hand when I pick the B string, like this. Now. And maybe over the E minor, we can also change that, and we can play something like this. Listen. Again, let me do it again. And if you need it, by the way, if you need the tablature for this, you can find it link below or in the description or first comment, and you can download the tablature for free. And here over there, E minor, I'm playing this little melody. Play it. Then pinky, slide to the 2nd fret and open D. So that's my little piece. I think it sounds nice, it's slow and it's pretty musical. What you think in the comments, and but yeah, have fun with this. And again, if you need the tab, you can find it there is a link below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.